Hi and welcome back to Well and Good. Today we are doing the right way to activate through your pelvic floor. My name is Chloe, I'm from Go Chloe Pilates, and I'm really excited to give you some tips about this topic because I see so many people do this the wrong way. And that's what I'm going to take you through first. 3 things that I see people do wrong all the time. The first one is tensing your body. Now, when you do a pelvic floor contraction correctly, I shouldn't actually see it, but when you tense your body, it often looks like this, and then they relax. And I can see it all over their face that they're doing it and in their bodies. The next mistake I see all the time with pelvic floor contractions is breath holding. Here's what it looks like. Time goes on, and then finally, when the pelvic floor contraction or workout is finished, they sigh in relief because they're so out of breath. The last mistake that I see all the time is tensing through the glute muscles. And this is something that I can't always see, but I can sense from my clients. As you do your pelvic floor contraction, there is this tendency to want to squeeze and clench your butt cheeks and squeeze them on. And then when you relax your pelvic floor, you relax. But really, your pelvic floor and your glute muscles are 2 very different things. Okay, now I'm going to take you through the right way to activate through your pelvic floor. The first step is to find a relaxing and comfortable position. So either seated or laying down, whatever you like is totally fine. Relax your shoulders and start by taking a relaxing breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Great, now we tie in the pelvic floor. Take a breath in, and as you breathe out, engage through your pelvic floor muscles like you're busting for the toilet and you're holding on. You want to feel an internal squeeze and lift through those muscles without clenching your glutes. And as you breathe in, let that go, let it fully relax. Keep that going. Exhale, engaging, drawing up and in through your pelvic floor. And as you breathe in, let it go, let it relax. I shouldn't be able to tell right now that you're doing your pelvic floor contractions, but you are, and you should be able to feel that in your own body. Keep that going just like that with your breath, exhaling to engage and inhaling to relax. Repeat it 15 times, and there you have it. That's the right way to activate through your pelvic floor. If you want more information on your pelvic floor, then make sure you check out my other video on the Well and Good YouTube channel all about pelvic floor Pilates. And that is it for me. I'm Chloe from Go Chloe Pilates. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.